back to the Ford Sportrac. Here's the one that on the last video we were doing the fuel pump. And this time the alternator. Wow. So got online, started searching, and this company came up called DB Electrical. DB Electrical, and I just got the alternator today. The box is, completely sealed, and just figure I made a review and a quick installation video. It's an alternator inside this box here, so I'll show you some of the things that I do not like right out of the bat. And I'm going to start with setting you guys down here. I'm going to show you how it's packed. Feels like it's pretty loose in there. So that is the first thing that I don't like. But on the plus side, good price for 08 Explorer was like $72. And well, I don't think it's well packed, but let's open it up and we'll see. So you can see the other side is also sealed with my name and personal information on it. So let's get to it. Let's open it. Airbags, and the box for the alternator is right there. So as you can see, it's punctured through here. This is probably the pulley, so I hope it's in good shape. Let's see what comes out of here. So I do not like this part right here. Let's see what's inside the white box. I just opened this box and it's already cracked, so I don't know what to expect in here. It's actually the condition it came in. Let me see. It's probably one of the bolt mounts right there. And well, let's open up the box, see what condition the alternator is in. Has some packing, not good. The hole here, this one right here, I believe it is from one of the bolt mounts right there. So we'll see, or maybe this connector here. See what's in the box. Just some paper and nothing else, but look at the condition of the box. And the bottom. But let's see the important part, because I don't want to do this job twice. Not a hard job, but I really don't want to do it. looking to see if the casing is cracked or whatnot. I would hate to install this thing, and it looks like the casting on that thing is a little cheap right there. But I don't know. Let's let's compare it to the factory one, which is this. This is the factory Motorcraft one that I have out of the truck. Well, that one says Motorcraft, this one doesn't, so who knows where this thing is made. Let me see if it has a little engraving somewhere. I don't see anything, but let's hope it works. I don't see any big damage. Looking at the box was a little discouraging. But who knows? Yeah, I guess the only thing I have against it is the casting on this thing is it's not the best, but you know, as long as it holds. As long as it holds, you should be in good shape. So, all right, let's go put it on. So to install this thing, pretty easy. You have to put it in place, of course, with the pulley facing forward. Install connector, and connector. Then set it in place, and after you set it in place, the bolts, and after that, loop the belt on it. Well, it looks like the DB electrical alternator is working fine. The fault I was having was the battery light would come on and off constantly. I have a 2017 battery. We're at the end of 2018, so it's probably about 2 years old right now, so no reason for that battery to go bad. I tested it anyway, checked out, and did some testing on the alternator, and it was only putting out battery power, actually below battery power. So it was reading at the battery around 11.5 volts, and as you saw right now, it's reading 14, which is what the system needs. So DB electrical alternator, other than the packing, it's working good so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video.